Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In my video today, I will walk you through OpenBOM CAD File Agent. So what is OpenBOM CAD File Agent is your PDM assistant. This PDM assistant that operates completely from the SOLIDWORKS environment and allows you to manage data seamlessly inside of your design project. So let me start with the first task, how you can start using CAD File Agent. So every PDM system, it requires a lot of preparation. So things are much easier with CAD File Agent, this is your assistant. So everything you need to do, you need to pick up a particular project. So you can select one of the assemblies, or you can select the entire folder on your disk. CAD File Agent will start scanning this information and we'll start capturing all this data. So what you see now, if you selected one project or you selected multiple folders, CAD File Agent will be scanning all this information and will be analyzing those files. It has SolidWorks skills and it can use OpenBOM Cloud Service in order to store information in the cloud. So basically, you're getting a conversational agent that at that stage is taking your CAD files and related product and project data under control. So think about a typical PDM. You need to organize information. You need to clean this information. You need to bring those information in order. CAD File Agent doesn't require this. Everything it does, it allows you to pick up the folder and run it end to end. So some projects it will take a couple of minutes, like this is in our case. But if you have more data, that will take more time. But now you can see all information is scanned, all information is captured, and now to start working on this, typical checkout operation, CAD File Agent operates with a lock and unlock. I can click on lock operation, and now this entire assembly is locked with all sub-assemblies and parts that included. I can see this information in the side browser. And you can see that all this information is locked. So that's how fast you can start using CAD File Agent with SolidWorks. And in the next video, I will come with more examples how you can operate and perform specific actions. That's it, and we'll see you in the next videos.